impressive. Are you practicing for a tryout?
You mean audition?
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you practicing for an audition?
No, I just love to act.
Huh, that makes sense. Rule 64 states, cast kids love to act, but crew kids love to overact.
Wait, what does that have to do with anything?
You'll understand when you see Sam Barry and Molly Reitman perform the Elephant Love Medley from Moulin Rouge.
Elephant Love? Isn't that a song between a man and
Don't worry about the details.
All right, well, here's Molly and Sam.
Love is a many splendid thing. Love lifts us up where we belong. All you need is love.
Please don't start that again.
All you need is love.
Girl, it's not to eat.
All you need is love.
She'll end up on the street.
All you need is love.
Love is just the game.
Maestro?
What?
I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. The only way of loving me, baby, is to pay a lovely fee. Just one night, just one night. There's no way, 'cause you can't pay. In the name of love, one night in the name of love. You crazy fool, I won't kill you. Don't leave me this way. I can't survive without your sweet love. Oh, baby, don't leave me this way.
You think that people would have had enough of silly love songs?
I will be around singing. It isn't so. Oh, no.
Some people want to fill the world with silly love songs.
Oh, what's wrong with that? I'd like to know. 'Cause here I go.
Get down!
This is so very wrong.
Get down!
When eagles fly on the mountain's high, love makes us act like we are fools. Throw our lives away for one happy day. You will be mean. No, I won't.
And I'll drink all the time.
We should be lovers.
We can't do that.
We should be lovers. And that's a fact. Though nothing will keep us together, we could steal time just for one day. We could be heroes forever and ever. We could be heroes forever and ever. We could be heroes.
Regardless.